today's meditation. Together we'll reconnect with our body. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting, with your spine gently upright. Allow your hands to rest naturally. Close your eyes softly. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply and exhale, letting go. One more time. Inhale, filling your lungs completely, and exhale, releasing all tension. Now, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. No forcing, no control. Just observe. You are here. You are safe. And this moment is yours. Bring your attention to your feet. Notice any sensations, warmth, coolness, pressure. Gently say to yourself, "Thank you, my feet, for supporting me." Allow them to soften and relax completely. Move your awareness slowly up to your legs, your calves, your knees, your thighs. Feel the weight of your legs sinking into the surface beneath you. Silently repeat, "I allow my legs to rest." Release any tension. Bring your attention to your hips and pelvis. Notice any tightness or holding. Breathe into this space. Inhale, exhale, soften. Say gently, "I let go. I am supported." Shift your awareness to your stomach and lower back. Notice the rise and fall of your breath. Place your attention here with kindness. Say silently, I accept myself exactly as I am. Let your belly soften. Now, bring your focus to your chest and your heart. Feel your breath expanding and releasing. Imagine a gentle warmth in your heart center. Repeat slowly, I am worthy of love. I give myself compassion. Stay here for a moment. Bring awareness to your shoulders. Notice any weight or tension. Allow them to drop naturally. Say to yourself, I release what I no longer need. Let them soften. Move your attention down your arms, your elbows, your wrists, your hands. Feel any subtle sensations, tingling, warmth. Silently repeat, my body is at ease. Let your hands rest completely. Bring awareness to your neck, then your jaw. Unclench your jaw slightly. Relax your cheeks, your eyes, your forehead. Say gently, I soften, I release. Let your entire face relax. Now, feel your entire body as one, from head to toe. Notice the calm, the stillness. Say to yourself, I am connected to my body. I am at peace. Bring your attention back to your breath. Inhale slowly for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now silently repeat. I love myself. I honor my body. I am enough. Begin to deepen your breath slightly. Feel energy returning to your body. Gently wiggle your fingers, your toes. Bring awareness back to the room. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Take this calm with you. You are grounded. You are whole. You are enough. Thank you for this moment. Feel free to subscribe, like and share. Share with us in the comment how you felt during this session. I'll see you whenever you need me for another video.